Good morning, welcome everyone, welcome chat. Good evening, how's it going? Happy Monday times. How are you today? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to have a nice runner? To have a nice week right here? Pretty much the end of the month of August. Looking forward finding out how do we position by the end of 29th on Friday. Hope you had a great weekend, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Hope you had a great weekend, as I said. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. I had a long entry on my mind at this level.
Order filled.
Which is something I'd like to monetize from here. We've been looking into the markets. This is where we are for the moment. A very clear downtrending channel that we're going through. With the 1 minute looking decent on 465, so we have some energy going around this point. Looking forward finding some a nice swing back into the 90s. That's something that I'm targeting, a nice swing into the 90s. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it on. That would be a decent 1,500. A great way to kickstart a week. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing back into the 90s. Let's just go ahead and share the live stream with all the community members, all the fellas out there. Let's not forget about it. Pretty much everywhere. We are live. $50K today on the giveaway. Not 75 but 50. $50,000 in one giveaway. This is what we got scheduled today. Hope you had a lovely time. You had a peaceful moment. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Let's get this one popular. Share it with your friends, community members, trading groups, all around the place. How's it going? Let's go. Come on. Pretty good. Nothing to complain. Nothing to complain. We're trading below all the significant levels. But we've got some great potential coming from the support of the channel of the trending line. I don't want to underestimate the force behind this, so I'm not going to be surprised if we get another 10 points easily from here. Could actually extend into a way stronger move. That's really good math. This one right here, we managed to do about 350 points. It was unstoppable. If you get that on no consistency Ticktick trader accounts, that's gonna help you a lot. Right? No consistency Ticktick trader accounts. So keep in mind, Top 1 Futures is also organizing a giveaway I've shared on my Discord. It's a $1 million giveaway. How do you enter? You enter the giveaway by utilizing my code SCRAMBLE at any purchase. You have 50% off. They give you 45, but I can give you 50. By using the code SCRAMBLE, every purchase you do with this code gives you an entry. The giveaway ends on August 31st. And you have the ability to win one of 40 accounts of 25,000 instant funded. Right? So you just have to utilize my code and you're already participating with an entry. If you want multiple entries, then obviously multiple purchases would qualify you. This is something apart from what we're doing. Our giveaways are daily and pretty exciting. Putting my stop loss on break even. I need that 1,500 today. That would actually take me into $3,000 drawdown, which allows me to have a comfortable moment. Because right now, we don't have that much cushion needed. The accounts that I'm trading this 5 have 2 points. 8 more needed, and it would be really good to collect another one today with an extra 1,000 on top of the 500. That would be really good, guys. Morning, everyone. Have a beautiful day. Have a great trading out there. Have a lovely time. Waiting for that few points to be delivered. We have a promising moment from here.
Order filled.
But we're very, very close on our break even. A much better entry would be around the 65. Even lower than that. Around the 50s or previous week, VWAP sitting around the 40s. The closing of that.
Order filled.
Testing out a little short here. Would love to secure that 400 all the way into the reversal point if that's the case. 400 bucks. No, looks like we do have strength.
Order filled.
Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, guys. Great to hear you. Great to see you. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring in those numbers. Share the live stream with all your members and friends. We're doing the giveaway at the end and having a great trading session in the meantime. That's a lovely rejection, guys.
Order filled.
Added a little more to this. Could be promising. Looks like temporary 79 is the real deal on the 79. We only got a break below 73. And we might catch some liquidity. I would be happy with that. Come on. Break below this level right now in the candlestick. And we're good to go. This is why I went break even on my long earlier. and then I switch into a short. This is what happens when you do scalping or micro scalping. This is not actually micro scalping, but this is what happens when you're scalping. We're break even once again. Hopefully we're not going to get touched on that. Pretty close to my spot. Look at that. This is a decent short entry for our target, but volatility right here could actually kill us. I'm going to zoom in a little more. We got a little lucky there, right? Just 2 ticks away.
Order filled.
We got stopped out again on break even. We had 2 profitable trades, not going to my target, but actually delivering partial profits, and then I've been break even. Now watch the markets getting into that 67 right now. I've been in a nice short. We had a nice short, guys. We're going to trade our Ticktick trader top on futures as well on Project X both, and then continue into our Savius accounts. Right, the 60% of Savius offer exclusively only for our community, discoverable only through this link. For those of you that are interested, I'm going to send you guys 60% off. The payout is actually more than 10 times than the fee you're paying for the accounts. More than 10 times, that's the edge. It's a very good one. This is a pretty interesting spot here for a long.
Order filled.
Looks like the whole candle has been denied, and I got into at the worst moment. I'm gonna DCA lower.
Order filled.
You see, my short would have touched this level on the 66, 67, and we would have that nice $1,000 profit. But that one little green candle went for our trailing. This is the disadvantage as well to go break
Order
even.
filled.
Market comes back to your entry point and simply wipes you out before it runs. Potentially we could see the 65 defending this level, so I am going to ride the markets. The 55% promotion right now is not available, so I have to update the banner from the live stream to 50%. 55% is right now not available. By the company is not available.
Order filled. Order filled.
We've squeezed a little below. Took some liquidity. Now I'd like to see the markets back into the 90s. $2,700 profit. Let's go for the big fish, guys. We have a pretty good target. The company gives 45% for the top on futures, and I have 50% with my code. Also, Ticktick Trader is having amazing discounts too. And you guys know that I'm trading Ticktick right now with tap on futures and Savius. But the great part is you have no consistency on Ticktick Trader. This is an interesting reaction we have here. If there is strength behind, we're going to cross 80s, and then the target is going to be right there next to me. It's a promising trade, guys. Not going break even yet. And I'm telling you why. We could have some zigzag effect here before it runs. And then I would be wiped out. I don't want to be left out if that's the pattern. Not gonna add anything additional to this. $5-minute for the moment looks decent. I think we're gonna get back today to the daily opening on the 600s. I think we're gonna get there. Do not eliminate that. Do not eliminate the daily loss limit. That actually helps you. And it's protecting you from the ultimate dangerous element, which is the max loss. Right? So that level right there helps you. It's not $150 because that's also discounted with a coupon code, so it comes in cheaper. But I think that's something beneficial. Right, so any day of loss can be recovered. Any multiple day of losses as sequence can be recovered, guys. But hitting max loss obviously cannot be recovered. And most of the time, not stopping at certain levels will send us into the max loss most of the time. You know, right now I'm going break even. I have to do this break even. I wouldn't be able to accept markets moving below the 63, so I better get into my long on a lower level if that's the case, right? So that makes max daily loss at 1,500 helps you guys. It really helps you. We've been quite a few times profitable here on Ticktick Trader, haven't closed anything earlier than... And this is the third time already. You know, if this candle is not going to have strength, I'm going to get out of this trade, guys. If this candle turns red, I'm going to get out.
Order filled.
I'm out for the moment. Recovered the loss and we're 260 in profit. Good morning, welcome guys, great to see you. Make sure to like the video. Keep in touch. And I wish you an amazing week. Both on your personal, private life, and business life as well. Targets, expectancies, and everything you guys have. Like and join Discord for the giveaway. You see, we have protected that $300 we made by getting out a little bit earlier. An entry would be here on the 50s. And then another entry would be on the 40s. I would test out an entry on the 50s, which means I could short from
Order
here.
filled.
I'm shorting a level that has been representative for the support of the bulls.
Order filled.
But I think we break below at this time. And I'm going to be out at 53. And I'm trying to look for a long right there. Right below, I'm going to set a limit order. 23,452. 2 contracts, 51, 2 contracts, and then 50 is another 1 contract, right? So we're exiting out of the short on the 53. And then having the entry right below. If we get that, that would be good. That's the playground here. Exiting out of the short and buying straight away into the long from a bit lower levels. The straight to funded plus is not having consistency. It's much better. It's a lot easier. It's only 5% target for the payout. And it has a very clear and smooth path to the live trading. So I prefer, since the straight to funded plus came out, only to trade straight to funded plus on Ticktick Trader. You only have to do $500 a day to collect your profit score. It's a whole different plan, a whole different system based on a profit score. There is a video on my channel where I talk about it, where I also shared a $10,000 payout. I'm a momentum trader, trading on technicals and price action.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like we have reacted for the moment on the 60s. And finally we got that strength I was looking for earlier. We're gonna get stopped out. There's not much cushion left at 1,500. I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh. We got lucky there for a moment, but I don't think we survived this.
Order filled.
Yeah. We haven't survived this. We've been wicked out. So, markets did not follow through the breakout here. Clearly confirming for the 4th time without squeezing below at all. Interesting. Having the support here setting a little bit lower. Not at this time. Continuing basically with the is really awful indeed. We had a strong 1-minute candlestick closing here. Really strong. A weak 1 minute from the bulls afterwards. Right, so the first green candle from the bulls shows weakness. The next one is moving the prediction into the neutral side. But then the third candlestick is coming out of nowhere. Basically, that's the longest 1 minute candlestick we had in the whole structure. So normally after this powerful candlestick that you are closing as well quite strongly without significant rejection, you at least have a form of squeezing below the previous wick, which is right there. we had nothing. Suddenly, something that was strong transforms into dust, making our life a little bit harder. Now, continuing with our tap on futures, where we have to trade a small amount of money to qualify for the next payout. The new cycle started on 18th, last week, Monday. Have a look into that. Which was this day right here. This was the first day of the cycle. A cycle with the need of 4%. 4% of 150K is $6,000. If you're looking at the end of the week, we made $6,000 in the first 5 days. So we touched the target in the first 5 days. You know that we need 10 days of trading, so I'll still have to trade here to get the payout. But we also need a consistency, 20% for the top one futures. And that's the highest day, 1,229. So 1,229 times 5 gives me 6,145. Which means I still have to do 145 bucks within the next 5 days. I still have to do 5 days, so if I do 145 today, I still gotta do $5 in the rest of the days because I need to have 10 days of trading. And then we secure 3 payouts again from tap on futures. That's absolutely lovely, right? 9,450 from this 3 payouts. I've been speaking about the 90s.
Order filled.
Got into a single contract long here. 130 bucks right there. For a market continuation. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got the giveaway coming out soon in about 45 minutes. Till that, we're going to continue trading, continue our journey. We had 3 good trades on Ticktick Trader, which all went to profit, partial profits, and then came back to break even. So then the 4th trade put us into the stop loss of the day. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Great evening. Good afternoon for some of you. Come on. Bring it on. Bring this one above 85. I'm waiting there. You know, I'll move my stop loss to break even already. $10. That's fine. Actually, I'm going to get out here. $22. That's enough, guys.
Order filled.
Stop loss right above. Take profit right there, 7 points away. That's exactly going through the structure mid through the structure with a bunch of liquidity. This is a heavy level. Bring it down, come on. Perfect bull flag for a nice continuation, right? Let's see what happens next. We need to be strong above 83 for a continuation, which did not happen so far. You know how nicely they can deny the bull flag, or simply confirm it. There you go. We had some fat finger. But I see that 83 is still there. That 83 level is still there for the moment. Might break through that.
Order filled.
We broke through.
Order filled.
I'm reshorting this. With a stop loss right above the wick.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more contract to this. Let's see
Order
if we go
filled.
back. And we got back to that level once again. Interesting.
Order filled.
Look at that, guys. Look at the spread. How on earth I got my entry on 81 and there is no wick for that level?
Order filled.
We haven't cleared at 83 for the moment. But it looks like capable holding around this momentum. A bull flag with a ranging flag pattern.
Order filled.
Thank you guys for joining, appreciated. We got the giveaway coming out soon, $50,000. Currently we're trading the top 1 futures for those of you that are interested. We got a bunch of videos out there about the platform. And of course, right now they also do a separated giveaway than what I show. For every single purchase, here's the giveaway listed in our Discord community. every single purchase by utilizing the code SCRAMBLE gives you an entry. There's $1 million shared in instant funding accounts. Promotion is available by or till the end of the month.
Order filled.
Five points away for my target. Right below this ranging structure, a perfect way to squeeze them out. The only question is which way is going to get squeezed first. In 5 minutes, we're going to have a flat candle. You know, for my consistency, we need around $300 right now in 5 days, so we have $17,000 drawdown in this account. 17 grand, look at that. It says distance to maximum loss. 17,000. That's a pretty good looking. Stop loss and break even. Two points needed. Look at that one, guys. Look at that one. Like literally just wicked into my price action on 77. They're connected, you can see that. There is no gap between the wick and my 77 take profit. I'm gonna trail this, right?
Order filled.
You know, I'm gonna leave this on $52 profit, it's fine. Because we only need to do totally 150, so we made 50. $100 is left in 4 days, guys. $100 is needed in 4 different days. That's the trading performance we have here. Pretty much insane, right? There's no loss in August. This is the whole August. And then we just move this to the upside and we go for July. And then this is the performance for July. That's why we have $18,000 to the max loss. 3 accounts are connected under these conditions.
Order filled.
Let's test out a single contract long here. It was a nice 1 minute strong candlestick. Let's go for another $45, just a little bit higher, guys. Less than 2 points from here. We could nicely wick into that and then come back. Thank you, guys. Yeah. What a nice 1 minute candle, which is fully getting denied.
Order
I've
filled.
DC'd right there. And I'm decreasing my target.
Order filled.
Another entry. 484 for my exit. This is the last minute to go, and we've got a flat hour opening. If the pattern continues, we're gonna wick into that target if the pattern continues.
Order filled.
4 contracts. Our target is basically going through the upper side of the structure pretty much everywhere, right? It's not getting missed. Right, so that target is part of the liquidity game. There is no move. Look at that. Up and down. Fully undecided right now in the price section. We haven't squeezed anything above. We haven't trapped anyone. We just managed to put some pressure against the bulls here.
Order filled.
I got into another trade. I've DCA'd.
Order
Keep
filled.
going. There you go. The target has been touched. So we go for the fireworks, guys. We go for the fireworks because this is actually less than 20% consistency needed. Is $168. So the only thing is needed for the next 4 days is to do some trading. $2, $3, $5, and I'm gonna get into the micros for that. So then we qualify for another round of payouts, which is absolutely amazing. And that's gonna be $9,450. Thank you guys, thank you. Beautiful. You see, DCing in the lower part of the ranging structure helped, while having the exit within still part of the structure, right? If you're having your exit out of the structure, might never come, but as long as it's still part of this range, the upper side, you're good to go. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you guys. We got this account which is only having $806. I'm gonna trade this at the opening one way or the other, right? $806 buffer. We got this. This is a brand new account. And then we have this which is having $4,700. This is what I'm going to trade. We have 4 good days. I'm going to trade this. That's all what we have on this account. $4,700 buffer, pretty much 4 good days. So I'd like to go for a $1,800 target on this one. Like the video, guys, be subscribed and join our Discord. Come on. Good morning. We're in this channel right now. Unless we break out and confirm above, I'm not going to be bullish for an extension. I'm just going to be bullish from the lower parts of the channel up to the meaningful levels of rejection points, such as the 500s, the 524, the daily volume weighted average price, the VWAP. So we have some levels right there that could actually reverse us and bother us for a scalper. That's kind of sufficient. And very important, this upper trending resistance line, which at the moment sits around 526.25. So there are certain levels where I would be careful. We got into that 490s. I've talked to you. If you remember, at the beginning of the stream, I had a long with the 490s target. There you go. We just got it. Right, so always suggesting basically to go with the force from the earliest spot possible, from the closest spot possible, the dominant expected force. You're expecting bulls to appear, you have to be as close as possible to the original point of it. If you're moving away, then what you're actually losing is the edge and the margin for your break-even security. Break-even should be one of your main priorities. Like, not losing money is much more important than making money. That's the first sign someone is having a decent level of skills when it stops losing. It's part of the decent level of risk management abilities of no more losses back and forth and back-to-back losses, right? So at some point you have to start printing. We've got more than 25 business days here. Not on this one, but on the other accounts that were very close to the payout. 4 more days are needed. You see, I would actually test out a short here, but I'm not touching yet. But this would be an interesting level to test out a short all the way into the 65. So from 86 into the 65. Why is it so? Well, simply we built a nice range on the top side, broke out. We trapped some longs here, squeezed the shorts out. And now instead of running and continuing, as some people would expect, you're just pretty much reversing this in a miserable way, all the way back to the break-even stops from the 65. Right, so you managed to create a nice structure. You've increased your level, ranged a little bit above. Did a nice fake out, which is exactly what happened 2 minutes ago. And then you take this one all the way back to the starting point of the picture. With this move right here, you've collected so much. That's obviously a scenario. And definitely not the only one possible. Multiple scenarios right there. So, yeah. Each purchase gives you 1 entry. Each purchase by utilizing Scramble coupon code gives you 1 entry. There is going to be 40 accounts that will be shared of $25,000 each. $1 million giveaway. Ends on August 31st. All you got to do is just use code Scramble on tap on futures, and that one gives you automatically an entry. Also, we do our own giveaways. And that's also a place where we're going to share this tap on futures accounts too. Look at that one, guys. So, are they watching the live stream and delivering exactly what I said earlier, back into the 65? What do you guys think about? Because this is a decent candlestick here that we have that actually seeks continuation. Are the market makers happy to watch this live stream and deliver? Don't take this seriously, guys. No market maker cares about this. If it drops now, then it's delivering. So I said 65 target. Bitcoin is not having an easy time, sitting around 111. Pretty difficult around this level, but I think it's going to fight back. Look at that one, guys. 480s. Should have bet on my word, on my theory. But we could still slide from here. No surprise. That's good. Keep holding that short. Just be careful, we got some significant levels where the markets could react, especially at the opening. You're going to have 100 points to the upside and then wiping out all the shorts and break-evens that built across the time. Keep careful on that. This is a level of previous protection, 77. We're going to trade Savius accounts today, but in this one right here, I'd like to do around 1,800. I need a different price action. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Bring in those numbers. And of course, do not forget to join our Discord. Oh, that's not far away, basically 28 points from here. The New York session is pretty close to that. And I'm afraid if the New York session gives us the 600 daily opening on the 602, breaks out of this channel, it's not going to be easy to get back into the channel and close in the channel or below the channel by the end of the day. It's certainly not going to be easy. Let me share with you the FedWatch tool. What's happening out there? We were sitting on 83% a couple of hours ago for the rate cut. We're sitting on 85%, guys, from the rate cut. 24 to 48 hours ago, we were 75% and 25 the other side on the pause, but looks like again the probabilities have increased for the rate cut. It's going to be a pretty big day on 17th of September. Might open the doors for a triple cut for 2025. 25 basis points each time. Look at that, fellas. I think this is an interesting possibility here for the short. Or do you guys think the 77 will be capable to deliver that protection forever? That 77 right there did protect us for a while. You know, we kind of have this. Trading in between those two levels. Anything that has been above or below, it was just a fake out condition. Gonna test out another short on 88. If I get it, I'm gonna be glad. DCAing right there. 88 and 91. 93 as well. I've been going again for the scenario where the market rolls over. Looks like we got the reaction, temporary reaction. This Sol account is in a good shape with $4,500 drawdown. That's a good candlestick, guys. Really good. I'd like to DCA maybe a little bit higher, just like that. If I get the chance to add a little more.
Order filled.
Sitting on 4 contracts.
Order filled.
No more DCing for the moment. We're sitting on 5. That target into my 65 would actually give me sufficient for in terms of amount of money as well. Yes, indeed. So, Dennis. Not an issue about Quantower. Yes, you have to set up your connection with a DXI with a DX feed Savius. Right, so Quantower, you have no connection because you are on the wrong server. When you're connecting with your credentials that are inside your Savius dashboard, select the server DX feed Savius. And on DX feed Savius, you should be able to see your charts displayed.
Order filled.
We have DC'd into our position. So you still did that, and you have connected successfully, but still no information to... Let me quickly... That's pretty weird, because the information should come up. By doing that, your information should come up. Make sure to send an email letting them know that you got my accounts with my code. You have connected to DXFeed. You also have to sign up the contract as a non-professional, exactly. Inside your Savius, if I'm not wrong, that's the place where I've signed my contract.
Order filled.
We have added a little more to this.
Order filled.
Have DC'd one more time. We're in this trade with 14 minis. 14 minis, 9 minutes to go, and the market opens. If it's going ugly, I'm gonna cut it off, of course, not an issue. But we could easily catch a nice slat here. Could easily slip into my target. I'm gonna cut it away soon if this is going ugly.
Order filled.
Added one more contract to this. We're sitting on 15 right now. Three minutes to go and the market opens. I don't want to be 15 minis when it opens. If we get too close to the timer, I'm gonna have to close my position. No matter what, I don't want to be at the opening with 15 minis on this account specifically, certainly not. Oh, 8 minutes, not 3 minutes, correct. Seven minutes to go, correct, yes. So I can relax, there is enough time. A single red candle solves it all. Right? This one, come on. If the bulls are capable of protecting that 80 to 83, I'm also going to be out. Look at that, guys. The pressure is there. They don't want to give up, right? Look at that.
Order
I've
filled.
sold 5 contracts. I had to.
Order filled.
Another 5. I had to do it. So we're down to 5 minis. The risk of blow off here into the 500 is significant with the opening. Just as a noise volatility, and that would actually wipe me out on 15. And I better buy back if I see weakness. Some liquidity has been grabbed. Look at that. Right before the opening.
Order filled.
This could be a fake out here, guys. I just DC'd 3 contracts. That could be a fake out. That could be a fake out. Let's see. Let's see what happens in the next 3-4 minutes. The breakout is missing the continuation strength so far. So I'm questioning this. Let's see, guys. What are they capable of putting together? It wouldn't be bad to have this, right? Breakout here, break down below. Would certainly not be bad. Three minutes to go.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this. We're sitting on 10 minis. Added 2 more contracts. Nope. Volatility kicked in. Well, I'm not really convinced about the bulls for the moment. Just bear with me, guys. I'd like to confirm this, because I'm not yet convinced by the bulls in the way this whole thing looks like. Oh, look at that. The pressure comes in and hits the market pretty hard. Two more minutes to go. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Had a temporary rejection on the 500s, but that one... is pretty close to be bought up. Less than 2 minutes. You know, this is pretty difficult to walk into the opening with this, right? Last minute. "30 seconds. Getting pretty hot." I might just go with a break even. Nah, I might just go a stop loss right below this whole structure on the 500s, but we're pushing, guys. We're pushing and pushing. I might just go stop loss on the 500s and that's it, right? There you go.
Order filled.
Nah, we've been stopped out. Look at that. And the opening bell. There you go, guys. So, daily VWAP right here on the 520s. I'm going to continue here, forcing it. 520s, I am testing out a short. Look at that.
Order filled.
This should go all the way back. It was just a fake out above the 500s to take us out. I think it should go back up.
Order filled.
No. Huh. Nope. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? My short was right there, paying off. They had to wick this one above. Look at that. This was exactly the short. Wow. I was talking about. Let me just get into my Savius. And trade Savius for the moment. It's a beautiful candlestick we got here. Yeah.
Order filled.
Let's go all the way 496 opening. Are you guys ready? No. The payout accounts are fine. The payout accounts are the copy traded accounts where we have 168. We're fine there.
Order filled.
Watch this one sliding into the support level of the trend.
Order filled.
I'm gonna also long it from my Savius account. Oops. No fireworks. Why is it going around the fireworks? No fireworks needed. This is the level I'd like to be in along from my Savius accounts too. We got $2,700 profit here. All the way into 472 would actually secure my whole target. Keep flying. It's a good entry on 450s, right? Keep flying. And I'm out. $1,200 here. You can nicely see that $1,200 here profit. We brought the account to 154. So just a little more is needed and we go for the payout on Savius. Beautiful, guys. Let's go to the... I'm out here as well.
Order filled.
1,800. That's beautiful too. 1,800 on the top one futures profit. But very important on Savius, we've got $4,000. $4,000 profit. Totally. Beautiful, guys. Fireworks. Time for the fireworks. Time for the show. This was two very good trades. Right there. There you go. That was absolutely lovely. So we need for the Savius 150k. We need $7,500 target, guys. It's just at 5%. The payout target is at 5% on this exclusive Savius account. And we got 4,000. So we need $3,500 more. We could actually achieve that this week. 3 more decent days like today, and we're right there. And we would get a payout of $3,000 for an account which is costing $256, because all those prices you see here are 60% off, right? So for those of you that are fresh, this is an exclusive offer only for our community members. This is not available on the public page. So you need to sign up a new account. If you already have an old one, sign up a new account. Or if you don't have an account, simply sign up right here. And you will be able to see these plans in your dashboard area. Only available for our community members. This is not publicly on their sales page. 5% for the target. 60% off using Scramble. Beautiful trading. There's not many prop firms with 5% targets on the first payout. This was the first day here on this top one futures account. Possibly, yeah. Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus is end of the day drawdown, which means your drawdown is calculated based on the end of the day closing balance. When the day closes from that level, it's remaining fixed. It's not trailing during the day, no matter what happens, right? It's really good, right? So the Ticktick Trader plans are really good, guys. The straight to funded plus are comfortable on solutions. Here we got the link for those of you that are interested. Really comfortable in solutions. No consistency, so any big deal, any big money you're producing, it's remaining on the original balance. So when you withdraw or when you cross $3,000 in profit, which means you bring your 100,000 into 103, your drawdown will remain fixed on your $100,000, your original balance. That's where it's going to get stuck. Thank you guys. We're pretty close to that 522. The markets are looking for breaking out today out of this downtrending channel. They want to break out. They don't want to sit here for some reason. We had some great trading. Overall, it was good. Ticktick trader didn't have my best day on the Ticktick trader. But on the other side, we are 99% qualified for a payout on the top on futures, 9,450. That's going to be a big deal. Beautiful, guys. Time to move on. Time to advance. And of course, time for the giveaways. Time for the celebration moments. Let's go. Let's go. Time to play some games with the wheel. How to participate. $50,000 straight to funded plus giveaway, guys. That's what we're doing for TTT Ticktick Trader. Alright, so number one thing, like the video. Number two, be subscribed. Be subscribed with the notification bell. Turn it on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Right, so like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel with the notification bell turned on. Very important. And the third thing, join our Discord. This is the third thing you gotta do. You guys will win. You guys will win at the moment you no longer expect it, right? 1 million push-ups, right? That was the target for you. That was the time you got winning this. So good exercise, basically. So wait, guys. Do not guess yet. Wait, wait, wait. You gotta believe, right? Or you gotta stop believing one way or the other. Beautiful, guys. So let's get ready. You can start. Let me know your numbers. Between 0 and 5, you know the rules. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're gonna get banned. Simple and straightforward. Don't guess from multiple accounts. Do not guess from multiple usernames or whatnot. You're gonna get banned. Only between the start and the end. Nothing below that. Let's go. And the stop is right there. Thank you, guys. That's it. Do not guess anymore. Thank you, guys. That's it. Looking forward to the next one tomorrow. Actually, there's going to be multiple giveaways tomorrow. We're going to shuffle the wheel and get started. Wish you good luck, everyone. Join us tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time. We're going to have at least 2 giveaways tomorrow. At least. Come on, let's go, Matt. We got a 00 and a 44 right there. Look at that. It's not going to be the zeros. But I think it's going to be the number 4. I am sure it's going to be the number 4. We're not going to cross that. Hey, there you go. Number 4 with the winner for sure. And here we are. We've got a winner. Congratulations. We're going to the duck race. Round number 2. Let's find out the heavy winner. The heavy swimmer. No. Come on. Badger is helping us with the list. 31 great fellas. Good to go, competing for a minute. Here we are. Let's go, guys. Enjoy. Beautiful. You're going with a number 5. We had a time when we had back-to-back number 5. You were probably not on the stream, but out of 10 giveaways, 5 of them were on 5. We had a time. Yeah, today there's just a single giveaway. Tomorrow there is at least 2 giveaways. Because we are not streaming this Friday. So this week we're going to stream from Monday to Thursday. Friday I'm going to be out leaving. Holiday time. And depends next week how is it going to be. We might have an entire week pause. We will see, but I see Oliver taking some speed. Number 4 Oliver is the winner, guys. Look at that. Hey, congratulations, buddy. You've been around for a really long time out there. There you go. Have you expected this one? $50,000. Have you expected? We had 31 winners. 31 winners. Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you guys. Congratulations. Look at that. You deserve that special round of fireworks. You do enjoy them, right? Boom. Hey. Great job, buddy. Beautiful. Congratulations. Reach out to me on Discord. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind, tomorrow at least 2 giveaways. A lot of good trading. And a lot of education as well. Promotions. Coupon code. You know it all. You're already familiar, guys, with all these things. Have a lovely time. Careful on the trading. Looks like the market is having difficulties taking above that 500s. Enjoy your day. We talk to you soon.